Step into the future of education at Kolej Komuniti Kuching, where innovation meets collaboration and creativity knows no bounds. Welcome to the Maker Market, a visionary concept that redefines the traditional classroom and spark a revolution in learning. In 2019, the seed of inspiration were planted under the visionary leadership of Puanti S. Zainab binti Ahmad, the former Director General of JPPKK. Her foresight led to the realization of a groundbreaking co-working and collaborative workspace right here at Kolej Komuniti Kuching in 2019. The Maker Market is not just a space, it's a hub of creativity, a place where students, lecturers, and local community come together to make, learn, explore, and share knowledge. Inside the Maker Market, you will find a diverse array of workstations equipped with state-of-the-art tools and technology, from 3D printers and laser cutters to robotics and electronics. The possibilities are endless. But it's not just about the tools, it's about collaboration. Here, students and lecturers work side by side, exchanging ideas and nurturing a culture of innovation. Our calendar is brimming with exciting events, workshops, and competition that ignite the sparks of creativity in everyone who walks through our doors. The Maker Market is more than just a space. It's a confident booster for students who may not excel in traditional academics. Here, they will find their voice, their passion, and their I-can attitude. But it's not limited to students and lecturers alone. The Maker Market extends its arm to welcome the local community. Together, we forge partnership and create a thriving ecosystem of innovation. As we move into future, Kolej Komuniti Kuching's Maker Market envisions being at the forefront of educational revolution. We strive to collaborate with schools and institutions nationwide, exchanging the knowledge and advancing the Makers movement. The Maker Market, where creativity, collaboration, and innovation intersect. Join us on this extraordinary journey of making, learning, exploring, and sharing. Together, let's shape a brighter future.